Murphy, and we're driving the 2008 Pontiac Solstice. Today my buddy Cartwright's going to install the K&N 69 series Typhoon cold air intake system on it. And we're going to take a look at the improvement in sound and also talk a little bit about the improvement in responsiveness of the engine overall. So now let's give it a listen on the way to Cartwright's. Yep, that's Cartwright. He's my boy. Yeah. Little free advertising for John Henry. Down to getting this out here. Gonna pop this off. Yeah, well, you gotta clean and oil them. Gotcha. Yeah, dude. Give this channel about it. Most I make it is like 3 weeks at a time. It makes me cut that thing too. There you go. It looks that way, doesn't it? Because otherwise it's going to be like fucking...
Yeah, you have to cut it. Some trimming of the hose may be necessary.
Yep, we're going to have to give it a cut like right there. Get it. Got his finger.
Like a glove.
She's solid, dude. She ain't even touching there.
Yep.
She ain't touching down here.
Yeah.
That thing fits nice and snug.
Yes, it does.
Dope. That was easy.
Look at that.
Off
Obviously, it sounds a lot better. The throttle definitely has more response. It's a little bit quicker to pick up. Overall, I'm satisfied, plus I got to spend time with a good buddy Cartwright.